Hey guys, this is Kiki. So welcome back to my channel, and today's topic is gonna be my February favorites. So all my videos from the past are in Chinese, but starting from this video, I'm gonna try to make everything in English as well as Chinese. So I'm making two videos, same content, but in different languages. So today is gonna be the first one. Let's get into it. Alright, so first item I'm gonna talk about is a foundation. So this is a foundation from Beauty Blender. If you can see, that's how it looks like. I actually have a foundation review on this specific foundation, but that one's in Chinese. So to summarize the use of it, basically this is good for long lasting. This is good for your coverage, and this has no weird scents, no fragrance, I believe. And also yeah, this works for my acne prone oily skin, so this is really good. Alright, next item coming up is from Natasha. And this Natasha is a palette for your blush and your highlighter, and this is called Natasha Bloom Blush and Glow Palette. So if you open up here, you'll see 4 different items here. So the top two, or just those two, are in cream. They're both cream blushes, and even though this looks kind of intense, if you blend it out, it's actually quite natural. And the top two, if you can see, why is my camera not focusing? Oh, this is actually better. So if you can see, those two are this one is another blush, and this is kind of in a peachy color, and this one is a highlighter, which is kind of champagne color. So this palette is really cute on the skin. Currently I'm wearing the blush and the highlighter on my face, and also I'm using them as my eyeshadows, so they're also on my eyes. I believe this came out on around Valentine's Day, so I thought it was very appropriate themed, so I really like it. Next one is a bronzer from Too Faced. Alright, so this is the peachy bronzer, and this is called Sweet Pie. If you open this up, you can see inside here it has a couple of different colors. It has a bronzing color, a blush color, and also a highlighter color mixed together. So what I'm gonna do is that I'll get a brush and just go through it, and then just on my face I apply it as a bronzer and a blush, but not as a highlighter. So after you do this, your face will get some instant glow. It's gonna be very glowing. Currently I'm really looking into that type of disco ball type of makeup situation, so that's why I'll try to keep my face all glowing up. And also this has a very sweet peachy scent, so if you're into some fruity scent like peachy scent, you'll like it. Coming up, the next one is a face cleanser, and this is from this is from a brand called SkinCeuticals, and this is called the LHA cleanser gel. So this is a gel cleanser that is recommended by my facial specialist. I don't know how to call her. I go to her to do my facial about once every 2 weeks or once every 3 weeks, depends on my schedule, and she recommended this to me. She said she also has acne prone and oily skin, and this is very good for her skin. So after you wash it, your face won't feel that tightened up type of situation, and this is very nice with a minty scent, and you can feel kind of like a coolness on your face, which is very nice. Alright, next one is a lip balm from the brand La Mer, and La Mer, as we all know, it's very pricey, so as this lip balm, but the good thing is this pot actually will last you at least a year, even though I've used it a lot, but it's still lasting there. I think it can last me at least through this 2019. Alright, coming up next, we're gonna move on to the fashion sections. So the first thing I'm gonna talk about is this scarf from Gucci. You can see it's 2-colored. One side is majority is pink, and the other one, the reverse side, is gray. So overall it's just pink with gray, or like gray with pink. So if I put it on, you can see it's very cute because you are having a bunch of different effects, depends on how you want to style it. So you can make it look like all brown, all gray, all pink, or like mixed up like this. I bought it in Vegas because it was super cold there, and then I couldn't really bear the coldness, so then I just went to get this. And the another cool thing about this is that it's in alpaca wool, not just wool, you know, alpaca. Another thing I like a lot this month is this Burberry sweatshirt. I don't know, do you call this a sweatshirt or crew neck? I think you can call it both. So this is a sweatshirt with the vintage Burberry, you know, checks all on the sleeves and on the other sleeves, and everywhere else it's just black color all over. And this is made of very great quality, and this will keep you really warm. At least in LA, this is beyond enough, and this is very stylish. Think about how you can just pair this with a pair of jeans, leggings, anything. Basically it will just work. It will be your statement piece. I'm also very into this pair of booties the past month. This booty is from Alexander Wang, so they have their very typical heels like this. So I think overall it's about 3 inches of the heel, and it's very easy to walk with since it's the chunky heel. And this basically goes with everything. Again, I feel like I just said that, but the booties, again, because they're black, so they literally go along with any other colors, and this will give you some sort of personality to your original. Let's say if you're wearing a dress, which is very girly, right? And then if you add this pair of booties, you'll look kind of not that girly anymore, but more with like personality, if you know what I mean. All right, last but not least, I have a pair of pants to share with you guys. So this pair of pants, they're from Urban Outfitters, and this is how it looks like. So it's in this grayish color, and if you see, it's got that kind of wide leg. And this, again, it would go with the booties I just showed you, and then it'll go with this bodysuit I'm wearing. Last time I wore it to work, but apparently some people thought it looked like pajama pants. But again, if it looks like pajama pants, it's also okay because they're also pretty trendy. Alright, so that's everything I have for this February favorites video. If you like my channel, please make sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!